Get ready for the dictation. Start. The recent emphasis on revolutionized democracy seeking increased accountability from the government has brought into focus its need and importance in governance and governmental functioning. Accountability mechanism in functioning of the state has been engaging attention of the civil society, academicians and lawmakers in general and international financial institutions and donors in particular. It is in this context that accountability institutions assume importance and form the core of any good governance mechanism, helping in bridging the gap between the stakeholders and the decision makers. In order to appreciate the concept of accountability in governance, it is imperative that concept of accountability be discussed as the first step. The questions pertaining to who is accountable to whom and for what the required to be addressed as discussed in section 1 of the paper. Section 2 examines the institutional mechanism that exists in India to ensure accountability, fixating responsibilities on concerned authorities, while section 3 is conclusion with a way forward. The accountability to the citizens is a fundamental principle of democratic governance. Accountability refers to the process as well as norms that make decision maker answerable to ones for whom decisions are taken, that is, the decision maker and the beneficiary. It is not limited to accountability to seniors in hierarchy only as part of chain of command, but also the stakeholders including citizens and civil society. It may stem out of legal requirement or may be determined by moral and ethical framework of the organization. Accountability has an answerability component to justify the action and an enforcement component, that is to take action in cases where act of omission or commission is established. It provides for remedial measures including punishment in case of deviations from norms. Accountability helps in improving public confidence in government performance. Strong accountability is not a panacea for everything, as the governments today operate in a very complex environment with stakeholders consisting of different interest groups, competing demands on limited resources and complex legal requirements, for example, relating to environment. However, accountability mechanism certainly encourages responsible governance. It facilitates a feedback mechanism between the government and its citizens. There is external accountability that is between the government and the citizens, which is established through the elections. Internal accountability mechanism refer to systems of checks and balances and oversight mechanisms. The framers of the Indian Constitution, while adhering to the principle of separation of powers between legislature, judiciary and executive, also provided for appropriate checks and balances for administrative objectivity and accountability. The accountability could be financial, administrative, legal or professional. The basic questions that are required to be addressed are: 1. Who is accountable to whom? 2. And for what? As is evident from chart 1, there is an overreaching framework governing the accountability consisting of legal and regulatory framework and systems and processes with democratic traditions and moral and ethical values being the guiding principles. The ultimate accountability to stakeholders, the citizens, is to be ensured through a transparent, responsive, and responsible administration which is subject to scrutiny by the oversight institutions. Stop.